This is Robin Bird Spring. This is the first water for 13 miles from the cache. Would have been 40 something if there hadn't been caches in between. I mean, we saw those. Pretty cool too. It's got a little bit of floaties in there, like green, cool green algae looking things. We'll let those float to the top and squeeze them out. June, are you done and ready to go?
Yep.
You know where to go, right? Saw the sign to the trail?
Yep.
Alright. Ado, are you close to ready? Alright, there we go. 18 miles with this. And tomorrow, a 20-mile carry and we're done. Oh, is that true? Yeah, 22-mile carry and we're done tomorrow.